EKSA have introduced their latest TWS gaming earbuds, the GT1 Cobra, packed with features like 45 millisecond low latency, 36-hour battery life, touch controls and IPX4 splash resistance. Is it worth using for mobile gaming or is it a snake pit? Let's find out. Inside the box we have a pair of GT1 earbuds, charging case, USB-C to USB Type-A charging cable, two pairs of different size ear tips and a user manual. The GT1 charging case has a distinctive robotic Cobra head design made of a hard plastic black material. The case has battery charging indicator lights on each side. They light up in blue to indicate charging status or when the earbuds are inserted and charging. The case has a USB-C port for charging, making it convenient to charge on the go. The earbuds have two magnetic contacts on each bud to charge the earbuds while they're stored in the case. The magnets hold down the earbuds firmly while charging, and the earbuds are designed to only fit left and right. The case has a sturdy magnetic lid that shuts with a nice click. It's lightweight at 55 grams and easily fits into a jean back pocket or thrown into your gaming rucksack. The earbuds are extremely light at 4 grams each and follow the same Cobra design as the case. Two LEDs light up like laser eyes, indicating pairing or battery status. Apart from the blue LED lights, the black earbuds are a mixture of matte and gloss finish with the EKSA logo. The TWS earbuds are IPX4 rated to allow a few raindrops on them or during a sweaty gym workout. The GT1 earbuds have spare rubber ear cups in different sizes to fit most ears. The middle of the road option fitted my ears perfectly and stayed on even when walking around or lying in bed listening to a Spotify playlist. As the earbuds are very lightweight, you forget you're wearing them, comfortable to wear for long hours. The GT1 uses Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity and supports SBC and AAC codecs. The earbuds will work with a desktop, laptop, Nintendo Switch, mobile and tablets. Pairing is easy and quick. We tested this with the Poco F4 GT and Pixel 3a Android smartphones, plus a Windows 11 laptop. Range was good. Walking into a lover room, the signal stayed strong throughout. The GT1 Cobra has a low latency gaming mode streaming at 45 milliseconds. Tapping the earbud twice switches between gaming and music mode. In theory, other TWS earbuds have a higher latency of 200 milliseconds. In practice, I didn't notice any difference switching between the two when gaming, watching Netflix or listening to music. Each earbud has touch controls allowing you to tap once to play, pause music or video, press for 2 seconds to switch between music and gaming modes, 2 taps to switch between tracks, and 3 taps for Google Voice Assistant on an Android phone. You can also use the earbuds to take phone calls. 1 tap on the left to answer, 2 taps to reject the call, and 1 tap on the right to end the call. The 10mm neodymium drivers sound better than expected. It's a balanced sound with good lower, mid and high registry presence. There's also a little punch to the bass, which was a pleasant surprise given the price. Listening to Spotify or watching a video, the sound quality is good. In gaming, the audio is nicely balanced for sound effects, and the quality microphone allows you to group chat clearly and succinctly. Making phone calls, audio from the caller is generally excellent, thanks to the noise cancellation feature. The microphone is crystal clear and sensitive. The charging case has a 500 mAh battery inside it, while the earbuds have 50 mAh internal batteries. On average, the battery life of the earbuds was 5 hours. It takes around 1.5 hours to fully charge it when placed in the case. Using a fully charged case, the earbuds can be charged 4 times before the case needs charging. The EKSA GT1 Cobra are pretty cool TWS earbuds, thanks to the LED blue lights on the charging case and earbuds. The distinctive Cobra design breaks the monotonous cycle of boring white sticks or black-grey earbuds on the market. The charging case extends the battery life easily by popping the earbuds back in the case when not used. The touch controls can be overly sensitive. You find you accidentally pause your video or music track more often than not. Also, there's no touch volume control. There are better earbuds for listening to music, but if you want a pair of unique gaming TWS earbuds that are affordable, comfortable to wear for long hours and have decent audio, the EKSA GT1 Cobra is a sound choice. What do you guys think? Leave your comments and discuss below. Hope you guys enjoyed the review of the EKSA GT1 Cobra TWS gaming earbuds. As always, click on the like button if you enjoyed this review video and subscribe if you want to follow more tech videos like this. Thanks for watching. Cheers.